Can I tell you something surprising about the people who actually succeed with high level? They almost never start with experience. No tech background, no marketing degree, nothing. But there's a real difference between those who quit and those who build something real. And it's not talent. I've been using high level since 2019, over 6 years now. I've onboarded complete beginners onto the platform, people who've never built a funnel, who've never sent an automated email, never touched a CRM in their entire lives. Some of them quit, but some of them now run six-figure agencies, and some much more than that. So what's the difference? Well, it's not talent, it's clarity. And most beginners fall into what I call the clarity trap, so I'm gonna show you how to avoid it. But first, let's get clear on what zero experience actually means, because it's probably not what you think. When people say zero experience, they usually mean one of three things. One, I've never used high level before. That's fine. Nobody has until they start. The platform is the platform. You'll learn it. Two, I've never done marketing before. Also fine. You don't need a marketing degree to use this. You need to understand a few basic concepts, and I'll walk you through those in just a minute. Three, I've never run a business before. This one's trickier. Not because you can't learn, but because high level is a tool. It's not a business. You still need to know what you're selling and who you're selling it to. The software doesn't figure that out for you. So here's the honest answer. You can start with zero high level experience and zero marketing experience, but you need at least a basic idea of what you're building. Even if it's just, I want to help local businesses get more leads. That's enough to start. You'll figure out the rest as you go. So what do you actually need to know? Well, less than you might think. Here's what most people think they need before starting. Marketing degree, tech skills, funnel building experience, email copywriting, ads expertise, years of client work, but none of that is required. So here's what you actually need. One, a basic understanding of how leads work. So here's how that goes. Someone sees something, they're interested, they give you their info, you follow up, and that's it. That's the whole game. Two, a willingness to click buttons and figure things out. High level does have a learning curve. I'm not going to pretend that it doesn't. But it's not coding, it's drag and drop. If you can use Canva, you can use high level. Three, a simple offer. Something like, I help dentists get more patients, or I help real estate agents follow up with leads. You don't need a complicated business model. Just one service, one audience, one system. That's the baseline. Everything else you can learn inside the platform. Now, you can figure this all out on your own, but I'll be honest with you. Starting an agency without a proven system is kind of like this. I mean, you're probably going to get there eventually, or you'll just give up out of frustration. Here's what 6 years using the platform has taught me. The software alone doesn't get results. Systems do. That's why when you start your free trial through my link, I'm giving you my entire system free. $10,000 plus worth of assets, including the actual scripts I use to close clients, templates that save you months of guesswork, and the frameworks behind every campaign that's actually converted. Plus my actual snapshot. One click and it's in your dashboard. You're not solving this from scratch. You're starting with it already done. 30 days to try it, no risk, cancel anytime. You keep the bonuses either way. Or hey, you can figure it out the hard way. Links below, everything you need to start is inside. Now, whether you grab my system or build your own, here's what high level actually does for you as a beginner. This is important because most people think they need to know how to do everything. Well, you don't. The software handles most of the technical stuff. For example, follow-up sequences. You don't need to manually text every lead. Just set a workflow once and it runs automatically. Lead comes in, gets a text, gets an email, gets a reminder. You're not doing that. The system is. Plus, booking. You don't need to go back and forth scheduling calls. Calendar link, automated reminders, no-show follow-ups, all of this is handled. Then, funnels. You don't need to code a website. Just use a drag and drop builder. Pick a template, change a few words, publish, and you're done. And the CRM. You don't need spreadsheets. High-level tracks every lead and every conversation, and it does it all automatically. No chaos. The point is, you're not building this from scratch. You're simply assembling pieces that already exist. Think of it like IKEA furniture. You're not chopping down the trees and milling the wood and melting down metal into each individual screw. What you're actually doing is following instructions and using the parts in the box. Well, that's what high level is, just parts in a box. But let me show you what I mean. Before I had this system, I was chasing leads manually. There was missed texts and messy scheduling and endless back and forth, and by the time I got someone on the phone, they'd already talked to 2 other people. Now though, a lead comes in, a text message gets sent in 60 seconds, there's a link to book, reminders are sent, they show up for the call, and I didn't do anything except build the system once. That's the difference. You're not doing the work, you're building the thing that does the work. Or if you grab the snapshot, you're simply installing the thing that does the work. So that's what the software handles. But let me be honest about where beginners do struggle, because it's not where you'd expect. First, it's not the tech. Most people figure out the buttons faster than they think. And it's not the marketing. Basic follow-up sequences aren't really that complicated. What it really is, and where people struggle most, is clarity. Clarity around things like who are you serving and what are you offering and what problem do you solve. I call this the clarity trap. The clarity trap is when your funnel looks finished, but your offer isn't. So you keep tweaking buttons, changing them from red to blue, and make all of these minor, totally unimportant tweaks and changes instead of doing the one thing that's actually going to make you money, which is starting conversations. The problem with this, though, is that it looks and it feels like progress, but really all this is procrastination dressed up as productivity. I wish I was kidding, but I've seen people spend entire weeks, sometimes months, building the perfect funnel for an offer they haven't even validated. They tweak colors and rewrite headlines and add automations, and they've never talked to a single potential client. That's backwards. On the other hand, one of the people I onboarded with zero marketing tech skills, well, he just wanted to help therapists fill their calendars. He had a basic funnel, simple follow-up sequence, and within 60 days, he had 3 clients paying $1,500 a month. A few months after that, he was doing $20K per month. He didn't have experience, he had clarity. So here's what actually works. Just pick a simple offer. Now, my advice is to use what I call the client engine. The client engine is a system that you install on a local business's website that turns visitors into clients. There's 4 pieces. There's a chat widget to start conversations, a form to capture info, a click to call button, and instant automated follow-up. That's it. One offer, one system. Easy for a beginner to deliver, easy for a client to understand. And you don't have to build it. It's already done. When you sign up through my link, the client engine is in the snapshot. Just one click and it's in your account. Customize it for your niche, sell it to dentists or plumbers or chiropractors, anyone with a website that isn't getting them clients. Just get one client, then improve. Which brings up a question that I get a lot. Should I wait until I have clients before signing up for high level? Well, here's my take. If you're waiting until you have clients in order to build your system, you're doing it backwards. The system is how you get clients. Just think about it for a second. How are you going to follow up with leads without a follow-up system? How are you going to book calls without a calendar? How are you going to capture leads without a funnel? You need the infrastructure before you need the clients. Otherwise, you get a client and you're scrambling to figure out how to deliver. That said, don't spend 6 months building before you talk to anyone. The goal is to get a basic system up in a weekend, then start conversations. And you can do both at the same time. Build while you prospect. The tool and the outreach work together. But here's what this actually looks like in practice. Week 1, set up your basic funnel and follow-up sequence. Nothing fancy, just landing page, form, automated text and email, then test it yourself and make sure it works. Week 2, start reaching out. DMs, emails, conversations, tell people what you do. While you're having those conversations, you're also refining your offer based on what they actually respond to. Week 3, someone says yes. Well, you already have a system, so you onboard them into what you've built. Now you improve it based on real feedback from a real client. That's the loop. Build, prospect, land a client, improve. You don't need to have it all figured out before you start. You figure it out by starting. But with all that said, let me be direct about who should and who shouldn't start with high level as a beginner. First, this is for you if you're willing to learn something new. You've got a basic idea of what you want to offer, even if it's just the client engine offer that I just mentioned. You can commit a few hours a week to actually building, and you're okay with imperfect action. On the other hand, this probably isn't for you if you're looking for a magic button that makes money while you sleep. You've got zero idea what business you want to build. You're not willing to learn a new platform or anything at all, and you want someone to do everything for you. The simple truth here is that high level is a tool. It's an incredibly powerful tool, but it's still just a tool. You've got to actually use it. But if you're willing to put in the work, you can absolutely start with zero experience and build something real. I've watched thousands of people do it. Now, if I were starting from zero today with no experience, no clients, no system, here's exactly what I'd do. First, I'd pick one niche. Not 3, not any local business, just one. Now, 3 of my top niches right now are pest control, mobile pet grooming, and home appliance repair. Doesn't matter which, just pick one so your messaging is specific. Second, I'd import a proven snapshot instead of building from scratch. I wasted months trying to figure out the right way to set things up. Well, you don't need to do that. Just start with something that works and then customize it later. That's actually what I'm giving away through my link, but either way, don't start from a blank canvas. Third, I'd reach out to 10 people in my first week. Not after my funnel is perfect, not after I've watched 47 tutorials. In week 1. I'm doing this because conversations teach you more than a course ever will. Fourth, I'd charge something, anything, for my first client. Even if it's just $100, even if it's totally discounted. Getting paid changes your psychology. You're not practicing anymore, you're now running a business. That's the playbook. Pick a niche, import a system, start conversations, charge money. Everything else is refinement later. So, Can you start high level with zero experience? Yes, but zero experience doesn't mean zero effort. You'll need to learn the platform, you'll need to figure out your offer, you'll need to build something, put it out there, and improve it over time. But you don't need a marketing degree, you don't need tech skills, you don't need years of experience. What you need is clarity on what you're building, a willingness to learn, and a system that does the heavy lifting. And high level, well, it's the IKEA box. The pieces are already cut, the instructions are there, you just need to screw it together. If you're serious about building to 10K a month, or if you're already there and want to scale to 20K and beyond, this is the tool I use. One platform, simple systems, 6 years in, I'm still here. And if you're ready to skip the blank canvas and see what a working system actually looks like, grab the free trial through my link in the descriptions down below. And when you do, you'll get my complete one-person agency operating system, including my actual snapshot. One click and it's in your account. You don't start from scratch, you start from 6 years of refinement. Links in the description. And if you want to see how hard high level actually is to learn, I broke down the real timeline and the one mistake that makes it 10 times harder than it needs to be, and that video is right here. So feel free to tap or click that now. I'll see you in there in just a second.